In this video, we'll look at where to find and how to use resource guides on World Book Advanced. Resource guides collect a wealth of links to related World Book articles, study questions, selected media, books to read, government websites, newspapers, and additional resources. To find resource guides, click Research and Resources, then Resource Guides. The resource guides that you'll find here are related to countries, states, and provinces from around the world. Guides will geolocate to your country, but other locations can be selected from the drop-down menu near the top right-hand side of the page. On the left side of the page, you'll see a menu that will sort the types of resources. Resource guides may also be available for non-geographical topics. For example, if you search water and click More, you'll see that there are 4 resource guides related to this search. Resource guides may not be available for every topic, but they are available for many.